সহজ কথা সহজে যায় না বলা, সহজে হোক আমার পথ চলা। সহজ কথা সহজে যায় না বলা, সহজে হোক আমার পথ চলা। মাটির গন্ধে
Stories of the artisans are untold. Rangamati tries to be that platform wherein we tell the stories of those people who has been over generation creating artworks. Rangamati is not just an e-commerce platform. People wants to know more about the people. It's the human connection which matters. Katha Stitch, for instance, is a 1200 years old artwork. And these saris or these artworks are sold across the globe at an exorbitantly high price. Now the question arises, if the artwork can be sold at such an exorbitant high price, why are the artisans not getting a fair share of the kind of profit? The same happens with a metal called Dokra. Dokra is derived from a tribal clan which is Dokra Damra. Basically, this is alloy of brass which were used by the tribals of Purulia. Dokra artwork is like 2000 years old artwork. Every Dokra artwork is unique. There is no second piece of it. Since childhood, I loved painting myself. Sometimes I did painting on the walls also. The passion for art continued, and I believe it ran, like a parallel stream. I couldn't go through with the formal training for an art, but my passion, my liking for the art continued. And I did my graduation after that with commerce, and gradually moved into a career which was related to IT. I have been working with quite a number of IT giants. Total 16 years of work experience for IT. Career taught me a lot in terms of technology, upgradation, how things are working in the technical digital world. I was promoted as a department head, project head. One fine day, I just collapsed on the floor, and I was diagnosed with a situation wherein the doctor said that I actually had 18 months of lifeline. It was the first time that I really realized that life actually is not counted by number of years. It's very short. After 18 months, if I'm not there, what to tell the story of Sanjay? I got an invitation to attend Joydev Mela, which is a fair which is visited by fakirs and the Sufis. They do come on the month of January to pay their homage to the philosopher and the poet Joydev. It is their way of showing their respect towards the philosophy beyond life and beyond body, and serving humanity to reach a higher goal. And there were thousands of people. There were wandering minstrels, bauls, fakirs, sufis. What made me feel very connected was people appeared much more human. People appeared much more connected, and I met a lot of bauls. I met a lot of minstrels. I keep on mentioning them along the journey of Rangamati because they gave me an identification of life. And this question intrigued me. Like, okay, even if I live for 18 months, can I do something which would really enhance or add up a value to my life? Maybe would continue beyond my lifeline, which would tell me the story of compassion, which would tell me the story, untold stories of the artisans, which would tell the story of the wonderful artifacts and the artwork that they do. I resigned from my IT career, and I incorporated this company called Rangamati Handicrafts.
বন্ধু তোমার মাটি হাওয়া, বন্ধু তোমার ঘরের দাওয়া, আমার পরাণ তোমায় খোঁজে, বন্ধু তুমি আসবে কবে? সহজ মানুষ সহজে যায় না বলা, সহজ হোক আমার পথ চলা সহজ কথা।
So that's how Rangamati was born. And rangamati.com is our website wherein we try to bring into focus the artisans who are working at the remotest village of Bengal. So far, we have been able to create a bridge of trust, I would say, bridge of recognition.
আমরা এই যে কাজটা করছি, এই কাজটা রাঙামাটি চেষ্টা করছে যে যাদের কাছে শাড়িটা ওনারা মানে শো করছে বা দেখাচ্ছে যে এই শাড়িটা কে বানালো। এতদিন আমরা শাড়ি তৈরি করতাম, আমরা জানতে পারতাম না আমাদের শাড়িটা কে পরছে। আমরা হয়তো গণ্ডির মধ্যেই রেখেছিলাম যে ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গলের মধ্যেই শিল্পটা ছিল। আজকে রাঙামাটির চেষ্টা করছে এই শিল্পটাকে আবার ছড়িয়ে দেওয়া, এবং আমরাও আশা করি যে এই ছড়িয়ে দেওয়ার মাধ্যমে আমরা যারা তাতে আছি বা আমার মতন যারা তাতে আছে তারা এই রাঙামাটির মাধ্যমে উপকৃত হবে।
I was trying to basically develop a business around the issues in the society. The thing is, we have the artisan who can make the artwork. We have the customers who wants to buy the artwork. We want to upscale our e-commerce site to a very robust, technically robust site wherein it would be like a window wherein anybody across the globe can discover Bengal through handicrafts, handloom, and ecotourism. What we are aiming for is the kind of funding wherein we can actually go for mass production. We have a requirement which we have scaled up to 10 lakhs in Indian currency. And third would be create a Rangamati studio wherein it gives a glimpse and image of the old Bengal, the traditional Bengal, and we are planning to decorate it with all the old vintage items of Bengal. And the fourth is also very primary. We are planning to make workshops for year-round production of the artwork. People wanted to make a differential change in the artisan's life. The takeaway from the contribution would be, the feel-good factor that yes, the smallest donation or whatever donation I have given, it has actually brought a change in some human's life, and they are having a better life.
পথে পথে বন্ধু খোঁজা সহজ কথা সহজে যায় না বলা, সহজে হোক আমার পথ চলা সহজ কথা সহজে যায় না বলা, সহজে হোক আমার পথ চলা সহজ।